They say that this Biafra Liberation Army, wey they call Commander Holy Ghost, he don't come outside to come talk wetin happen for Osrumogho today. As he dey talk am, now he come tell Hope Uzodinma say the more he go dey send all this geria army dey come. He say na the way the more they go dey buy for inside also. Not be small thing o. Now we come say this one he don red though. But however, we will go find out how it dey happen for inside that area. As that one dey happen, e can't give up there to say that their fighter jet no fit enter inside their camp. Na the fighter jet come run back. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. My people, let's jump into the matter wey we get for our hand today. According to the update wey we dey bring come regarding wetin dey happen for inside Olo, with Biafra government in exile, which is Biafra Liberation Army. So they said that today the Nigerian army go again to battle with them, but unfortunately those guys overpower them. Now they can't run, go back. Maybe they go again tomorrow or this night, we don't know. But however, we still dey here, they bring you updates. However, let's watch this video from beginning to end and hear what this Biafra Liberation Army talk for inside the video. Before we will come back, we can continue
to share this. We are here, and then I would like to ask Hope. Hope, how far now? Hope, no be way the way where you take make mouth, you they get the report too. Even your machinery, they won't run away. I hope they are telling you, say, no be waiting, you tell them that seeing. You did not tell them that these people are well trained, well organized, very dead. Are they not be giving you that report? They are telling you that you did not tell them that these people you tell them, you say, you call them tout. You call them, waiting, what other name you call them again? Unexperienced people. But your machinery now is telling you that it is not what you told them they are saying. That these people, you did not tell them that they are experts. They are well trained, well organized, very. Your expertise is giving you this report too. Say you deceive them, and you are begging. You are begging them to try to put more fire force. You are even double their money. But let me tell you, at the end, there was those of them that will remain before 7 days. Before 7 days. Before 7 days. You see, tomorrow war. If they manage to return back alive tomorrow, if they come next tomorrow, all of them will die. You understand that we have come that we may restore Biafra. And there is nothing that can stop us from doing so. It doesn't really matter how many una be. It never really matter waiting and waiting where una pack come. But what we know is one thing. That thing where you cook for us, you go chop am. The thing where you carry come to our land, now you go take am. You understand me so? That thing where you carry come, now you go take am. That food where you prepare come, we go there here, they wash you, chop them, finish. And then at the end, Biafra must come. Yes. 100% assurance is what we have given you. That you can't stop Biafra. You only waste life of your people. You waste your money and you waste your time, joy. At the end, Biafra must be matched. Okay? So, 5 days is about to run out for the 7 days. Say you say 1 month, but the way you are dying and the way they are shouting on backup, I don't think say you will feed they reach 2 weeks. I beg, bring more. Bring more. Okay? Because the way where you take they die like this, how many go still remain for this 1 month where you declare war? You never see something. And as I always say, what is greater than you is Biafra. And waiting go kill you is the same Biafra. And then if you think that you are man enough, come and try. The harder you try, the harder you will fall. The more you try, the more you will lose. You see this war, we are 100% giving you this full assurance that you will never win. Huh? We see the here. We still dey here, grigba. We know they move an inch. We know they move, and we will never move. We cannot move. Nothing can move us an inch. When you are done, you tell us we go start our own. And when we start our own, the whole world will shake. You know how we they do now. So for my beloved brother and sister, share this. Share this. And let it go far. Let the world know that we are here to do the needful. And nothing will stop us from restoring the glory of our ancestors. Share this. And let hope know that he's fighting a loose fight. Tinubu should know that he's fighting a loose fight. We are fully prepared. And nothing can stop us. Tell them that nothing can stop us. And they know that feeling the heat. That testifying it. At the end, the next thing they will say is, Ho, He, Biafra. Ho, He, Biafra. Oh, 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 He, Biafra. That is what they will be shouting before they die. And even the one that will remain, that is what they will be shouting. And nothing you will tell them that they will listen to you again. If you tell them move forward, they will say, Oh, Hey, Biafra. You say, move forward, soldier. They will say, no, Oh, Hey, Biafra. Oh, Hey, Biafra. That is, at the end, that is what will happen. And this glory of Chukwuokike Abiama will fully be restored back to this land of the rising sun, where his children will worship him in truth and in honesty, where the love will restore back, where humanity will be respected, where lives and property will have value and meaningful to the living being, where civilization will be appreciated, where water will never be our problem, light will shine even into our forests, that you don't need torch to go in the dark night, where the road will be tar everywhere, where the seaport and the airport will be well designed, where our children, our women will be respected, where our old women and old men will be taken care of, where your resources will indeed become a blessing to you as the indigenous people. Yes. Where education will be valuable, and uneducated will also be valuable, where handwork will be appreciated, no matter how a little you know. Yes. Where well hospital will be built, and our sick people will be well taken care of, whether having money or not having money. Where your tax will yield more fruits for you as a retired officer or civil servant. That is a civilized war we are about to build, and that is what we are fighting for. And if you think we will not achieve it, then you will die. Because definitely we must achieve it. And Biafra is the result, end result of it. Biafra is all we need. Biafra is all we are asking for. And Biafra is all that we will have. And Chukwu Okike Abiama, the creator of heaven and earth, our Chi, have already promised us that, and it will never fail, and that it will give to us. And those of you that are coming, bear in mind that you only come here to die. We are sorry. It is not in our mind to kill you. Never in our attention. Biafra doesn't kill. It doesn't take life. Biafra never take life. They know they take life. We know they kill. Then kill a person, to say now we kill him madu. Then kill him madu, to say we dey kill him madu. Nigeria kill him madu, to say we dey kill him madu. We know they kill him madu. We know they kill him madu. Biafra know they kill. But we are sorry for your death. Because whatever thing you sow, you must reap. That thing where you cook for us, now you go chop am. You will not even know when you take the same hand you take poison us and put in your mouth. And if you die, we are sorry. Now you kill yourself. We are the children of the Most High God. We are the children of God. We know they kill. But we must defend ourselves in other way. It is our right to defend our life. It is our right to defend our soil. It is our right to defend our women, our children that are not able to defend themselves. It is our right to do so. Why you come to kill us and kill them? You will die at the process. So those of you who have already gone to the land beyond, we are very sorry. We are to their people then left behind. I don't know how then they put it. They bereave. Oyibo. We are sorry. No be us kill your people. Because we tell them, before you come, write your will because you must die. Now that they came and died, are we the one that killed them? No. Sometimes then turn their nozzle and kill themselves. I have to tell you the truth. Sometimes now then they turn their nozzle and fire themselves. Many a time now so then they kill themselves. So we know they kill people. We only here to defend ourselves. And some of them go tell you the truth. Say many a time, no be all they kill them, but then they die. So therefore, you have only one option that can save your life. Why you can? Leave the territory of Biafra. Leave Biafra land and keep your life safe. Refuse and you must go down. No two ways about that. Thank you so very much, children of the Most High God. May Chukwu Okike Abiama guide and protect each and every one of you as you keep praying for the success of these holy angels. Chukwu Okike Abiama can never abandon this project. He will always be there, just as he always be there at the end. only him we will praise. And our children will continue praising his praise of victory. And our children will keep praising his praise of victory. Because it is only him that is giving all this victory. Our Chi is at work. Our Chukwu never sleep. Our ancestors, they never abandon us. They are at work. They are working seriously. If you never see, use this fight and know that indeed they are working. Thank you very much. Go on down on your knees and praise Chi, for you have won again for today. Tomorrow we'll talk about himself. From me, from the land of the rising sun, precisely the land of Biafra in Osrumogho. It is still good evening from your brother Holy Ghost.
I have one question to ask to the Nigeria government. It's very simple, and I have also question to ask other Biafras. It's very simple. Number one question for Nigeria government is why is it that when it comes to Southeast issue, you guys want to use force to stop it? When you come to North, you guys negotiate and settle them with a huge amount of money. Second, have we, to this is Biafras, have we shifted our problem? That is, have we shifted the talk we're supposed to be talking to Nigeria government, the all bloggers in this Biafra, have we shifted it to now first Biafra Liberation Army, the guys in the bush? Have we shifted it? Because this is what I'm asking. If somebody is doing something wrong, you know that person is doing something wrong, fine, it's good to talk. But I understand fully that we have shifted this struggle and now fighting each other, blogging about each other. Then forget the main enemy that we're supposed to face. I just asked a question, but however, I want to share this video and also make sure say you follow this channel for more updates as it is hot.